So guys, yes, you read the title right. I deleted my 1K YouTube channel which name was Fear God of War. And before we go forward, I wanna also say that I will be announcing a huge channel announcement after this pretty sad story time. So make sure you stay tuned in the video for the end to come. So guys, I was saying that yeah, I had to delete my 1K subscribed YouTube channel which had over 70 views in its about section, and I had to delete that channel because guys, we all know that while you are running a YouTube channel, we all get criticized and hated at some point of it. Till 1K subscribers, my journey was going pretty good, and I didn't receive any type of hate or criticism. But then a moment of change happened. One day I was just playing Fortnite with a rich friend of mine. That rich friend was not any normal friend, but he was rich as. I can't reveal his name because of some reasons, privacy reasons, I don't know. But I can tell you that he is old and he is so rich that he can even afford to wear a diamond covered wear for rest of his life. And on his last birthday, he really bought 100,000 V-Bucks, which means around 600 USD dollars. So yeah, he is heavenly rich. And back then, he and me were pretty good friends. And as he was, everyone one of his friends, or I better say, fake friends, used to beg to him for skins, emotes, and in-game purchases of Fortnite game. So one day he and me were playing Fortnite as normal. Then suddenly his one friend came and again started to beg for skins and stuff. At that time I lost it. I said that stop begging from him, dude. And his that fake friend of his was a 8-year-old. So I tried to talking to him peacefully at first because I know 9-year-olds or 8-year-olds are very toxic in nature. But later, I don't know why, but he started shouting at me and started to say that I begged to my friend for them, and I am just coming in his way, etc. And then he told me to just wait and watch. So I didn't mind it at first because I thought that he's just a 8-year-old. What he will do? Turns out he did too much. Like, I opened my channel, I woke up next day and I opened my channel next day, and I saw that he has already formed a huge gang with all his big brothers, some bad brothers, and some of his friends, and they started abusing me very badly in comment section and started to abuse my mother, my father, and they were very bad abuses that anyone in the earth can't handle this, and they were like in hundreds of comments. Like I first thought of talking to them, thinking that maybe, just maybe, they will understand and stop abusing. And believe me on that, I tried my best to calm them down, but again, they were using very inappropriate language. So after some time, I was not able to handle that type of hate, and in anger, I also started shit talking to them. Yeah, I also started that. But when I saw myself shit talking, I was not able to believe that whom I have become. Again, there were like 259 or maybe 260, 270 toxic comments on that video. I just couldn't take it, and I was a kid at that time, so I just thought of let's do this all, and I just deleted my own freaking channel. Yeah, I deleted my own freaking channel. I realized that I have done the worst mistake of my life, and I remembered and realized that oh yeah, I didn't even told that 8-year-old toxic kid about my channel. Then how did he get to know about the channel? Then I started to inspect my rich ass friend, and I got to know. Guess what? My rich ass friend told him about my channel name, so that day I was broken. I lost it, my channel, my close friend, all of that, and I couldn't have even told my parents about this. About after being in 6 months of crippling depression, I again again opened a channel name in the name of Indian Rocco Gamer. But I don't know why this channel was not going good. Not because it was not going viral, but because I was just not having that same passion that I had in working with my channel name Furo Godova. That's why I started to become very irregular with my videos, and the last videos that was my Fortnite montage. I wanted to quit YT after that video because I expected as only 20 views will be there, so there's no. I wanted to quit YT, but when it was beginning to go viral, then I reconsidered my decision and decided not to quit. So and guys, I also wanted to thank you for the support that I received in those two videos, like 760 freaking views. I just can't believe that. 740 views, sorry, about, like, I couldn't just believe that thing that it happened to me, because it this thing happened to me after so many years that I can't believe about this thing. So guys, I'm again grateful to you that all the support that you have given me is too much for me. Like, thank you very much for all your support, guys. And here comes the announcement part. The announcement part of all, first announcement is I will be changing my channel name back to Firo God of War, cause it's my root name, and there are already many channel name by the name of Otaku or Indian Otaku. So I just don't want to lose the originality that's in me. That's why I will change my name back to Firo God of War. Second announcement, I will try my best to be regular and at least give upload a day in a week. Third announcement, I have decided to make my videos in English so I can interact and attract more viewers from all types of countries and interact with a whole new world. Once more, if you disapprove this decision, please let me know in the comment section. Fourth announcement, my biggest project will be coming at 20th September. I know it's a pretty long time waiting, so you should probably subscribe to this channel, because believe me on this purpose that content is the most hard work project of this channel. You will definitely love that content. Fifth announcement is that the next story time content will be of a story how I got tortured by my tuition teacher. So for the next video, for the next video, this will be my title and this will be my content. Till then, I hope you will have a good day, and I really will be happy, and I really and will always love you guys forever. And please subscribe and like this video if you like my content a little bit and want more great content from this channel. And guys, before saying bye, big shout out to my friend Fura Death Slayer for helping me everything in life. So go check out his channel too. The link of his channel will be found in the description. So please check out his channel too, because I'm nothing without him. And guys, at the right you will see my Fortnite montage that I edited with the help of a month of hard work. And guys, at the left side you will Pokemon AMV, which I edited for like 6 hours. So don't judge me on the basis of Pokemon AMV, judge me on the basis of Fortnite AMV, because I really edited it. So see ya later.